Welcome to today's dozen-minute workout. I'm Carrie, I'll be your host, best friend, and worst enemy. Today's workout, arms on fire. I got my co-host here with me, Patch. As you can see, she's got these little itty-bitty stems on her, so we're really gonna get those moving today. Let's do this. All right, let's start with a little warm-up. Reach the arms up and down. Inhale, up and down. Woo! Just getting into it. Right arm reaches across, shoulder stretch. Awesome, and change sides. Beautiful, behind the head, take a hold of your elbow, a little bit of pressure here. Get those joints loosened up and ready for a 12-minute power. Other side. Good, you got it. Woo! Hands come together, reaching up and push those palms to the back. Bring them down to the front and back. Front. Good. Really exaggerate your range of motion here. For 3, 2, 1. Hands come behind. Open that chest. Deep breath. Good. And right into it now. Let's start those burpees. We got 1 minute. We're gonna start, jump it up, take it back. Nice and strong here. Now, modification for this one. Come up, down, step, step. Woo! Good. These workouts are for all levels, so no worries. Or, you want to step it up even further, jump, back, push up, and bring it in. Good. 5, 4, right into a plank position. All right, find that plank position, nice and strong, and we're gonna rotate side to side. 1 minute. Nice and strong. Keep those abs tucked in. Rotating on your toes. Good. Find your balance here. Can you believe it? We lost Patch already. My co-host. Where'd she go? I think she's still stretching out her legs. Good, keep it going. Woo! Whoa, almost lost my balance there. We got 10, 9, 8, 7. From here, take it back up to a standing position. 3, 2, 1. Pop it up. All right, this is where arms on fire starts. You're gonna start, nice strong position. Hands to chest from here, right here. That's it. We got 30 seconds. Woo! It looks easy, but 5 minutes in, you can go without dropping your arms. You're a champ. It means next time, we're gonna step it up and get creative. Find some things around the house to toss into this workout. Keep it going. Nice and strong, shoulders down, away from your ears. Really power through your fingers. Squeeze those shoulder blades when you open up your arms. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Change the arms, going up. Nice and strong through those fingertips. You've got to create your own resistance here. Keep your abs nice and engaged, soft bend in your knees. Good. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Arms come straight, palms look up, and to the back. Up, back. Good. Rotate. That's it. Should be feeling a little spicy right now. Woo! Keep going. Don't let those arms drop. After that, don't touch extra weight. Let's target your own weight first. From there, we keep building. And rotate. Up, down, up, down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back to the chest. Round 2. Ready? 30 seconds. Keep at it. Keep those elbows up, shoulders down. Woo! Beautiful, you got it. Hope you're still with me and you're not out there with Patch somewhere. Just left me hanging. Not you guys though, right? We're in this together. Woo! 3, 2, and 1. Arms come up. Nice and high. Reach those hands. Good. Strong in that stance. Keep your muscles engaged. Power through. Up and down. Stay in control. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms come straight. And flip the palms. Good. Nice and strong. Reach through those fingertips. Beautiful. You got it. Arms on fire. Woo! Keep going. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. All right, let's take it over to the wall. 1 arm push-ups. Nice wide stance here. Core is engaged. Wrist is in line with your shoulder. Ready? 30 seconds aside. Bring it down. Nose to wall. Keep that elbow tucked in here. Good. Nice and strong. Got it. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change sides. 3, 2, 1. Nose to wall. Elbow tucked in. Nice and controlled. Good. Keep it going. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Down to the floor. On our butts. Fingers pointing forward. Knees bent. Lift the hips. Tricep dips. Bring it down. 1 minute. You want to step it up? Lift one leg. 30 seconds aside. Or your option, keep both down. Good, nice and strong. All in the triceps here. Ready? Switching sides in 3, 2, 1. Other leg, keep it going. Woo! You got it, you got it. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Flip it over, push-up position. From here, Option 2, stay on your knees or come all the way up. Whatever you choose, when you bring it down, everything comes. Don't forget your hips up top. We got 30 seconds here. Good, nice and strong. Make sure your wrists are under your shoulders. Last 10. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right, pop up, plank position now. Press those heels back, tap, shoulder, opposite side. Nice and strong. Belly button tucked in. 1 minute. Back and forth. Good. Make sure those hips are dropped enough that your abs are engaged. Nice and strong in your arms. Woo! Almost there. Power through. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, alternating one arm plank and change. Woo! 1 minute. You got it, guys. Last one. Nice and strong. You got it. I'd love to tell you how much time we have left, but my helper has the timer facing the wall, so I really have no idea right now. But let's just go with the flow. Ivan, help me out here. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Awesome. All right, awesome job, you guys. Let's take it up and finish it off. Right arm reaches across. Nice shoulder stretch. Good. And change sides. Awesome. So if you're still looking for a more full body workout, go ahead, click on another video. Bring the arms behind, open the chest. Beauty of these dozen-minute workouts, you can combine them, get a whole body in. Good, reach the arms up, palms to the sky. Good, one side, and change. Beautiful. Deep breath. Good. Drop that right arm behind the head. And change, other side. Good, and shake it out. Awesome. Thank you so much, you guys. So strong. See you next time.